The way Sales Builder Pro helps a service technician in the home is, number one, the app is so simple to use, right? I mean, we do a lot with comfort advisors, but we're bringing on more and more selling techs that they've got to learn how to do their tech work, right? Which is a lot in its own right. But now if they're offering full systems, or not even full systems, but like a repair and then maybe an even larger repair, they can do that through our app. And it's a simple process, and they can literally do it with just one finger. Simple to add an additional user to the Sales Builder Pro app. Once the invoice is paid, right, to add that additional user, within a couple of hours of training, 1 hour here, 1 hour there, those guys are then up and they're ready to roll. So there's not a long onboarding process. They've already been onboarded as the company.
We have a lot of material that the technician can share with the homeowner, and it helps to reinforce that he's the expert. So he can give one option, can be a repair, a second option can be a new piece of equipment with maybe some other accessories, and then a third option could be a completely new system that's high efficiency and going to give them everything that they could possibly want and need in their home.
It's simple to do, and it's easy to get them up and running, like I was just referring to. But what it's going to do is it's going to enhance the company's revenue. It's hard to even measure what that can be, because if you've got a technician who's not good at adding maintenance customers, we automatically do that for them in the app. But also, if they're selling equipment, there's no better selling platform, as you know, than Sales Builder Pro. So they're going to be able to sell more systems. They're going to have more maintenance agreements, right? All this adds to more revenue.